little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 8, India, water resources. As you know that availability of water on the earth and in India, I will tell you in this chapter what are the artificial sources that is available in India for the water. So जो Nitesh है, he often hears that he need to save water. He wants us why it is needed as we have 70% of earth covered with water. Let's read the chapter to find out. As you all know, water is needed not only for drinking, washing, and cleaning, but also for growing crop and to produce many useful things in factories. So about 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water, but most of this water is found in seas and ocean. कहाँ मिलता है? सीज एंड ओशन में मिलता है और जो पानी होता है जो आपको सी में ओशन में होता है सॉल्टी होता है. इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. So, only about 3% of total water is fresh water, which can be used for domestic purpose, agriculture, industry. फ्रेश वाटर जो है वो आपका रिवर्स, पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स, वेल्स में होता है. अंडरग्राउंड वाटर इज ऑल्सो फ्रेश वाटर, बट जो रेन है इट इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर. Right, as you see here, well, pond, right, river, these all are the main source of fresh water. नेक्स्ट ऑल्दो इंडिया गेट्स प्लेंटी ऑफ रेनफॉल. जब मॉनसून सीजन का टाइम आता है आपने देखा होगा इंडिया में रेनफॉल बहुत ज्यादा होता है, बट इट इज नॉट इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. सम एरिया गेट हैवी रेनफॉल वेयर सम गेट वेरी लिटिल. कहीं पे तो बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होगी, कहीं पे कम होगी और कहीं पे होगी ही नहीं. राइट, ये वेरिएशन है यहाँ पे. एज यू नो डैश इंडिया इज एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री एंड अबाउट 60% ऑफ इस पॉपुलेशन आर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली किस पे डिपेंड है? एग्रीकल्चर पे. So most of the farmers जो है वो किस पे डिपेंड है? रेन पे फॉर इरिगेटिंग देयर क्रॉप. एंड वेरिएशन इन रेनफॉल व्हाट इफेक्ट्स द फार्मर? As you know that farmer need educate and timely supply of water through year of growing crop. For this there is need to develop a proper irrigation system in our country. To ensure water supply, अगर आपको water supply को ensure करना है for irrigation other purpose, we can create some artificial source of water. So let's learn about some of them. First is canals. As you know that canals are the artificial channels or waterways that carry water from river to the field. Canals can be dug only in those areas that have large and very level plain, and they cannot be dug in areas having what? Rocky and uneven surface. This is the reason that canal irrigation system are mostly founded in northern places. As you know that Indira Gandhi Canal has changed the life of the people of farmers in Rajasthan. Next is dams. What are dams? These are barriers. Where they are made across the river. जिससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वाटर को, रिवर वाटर को होल्ड कर सकते हैं. The water that a dam holds gets stored in an artificial reservoir. This water is then diverted. और इसको हम कैसे डाइवर्ट करते हैं? Through canals, right, to the fields. These dams not only help in irrigation but they also serve many other purpose. Let's see that. वाटर स्टोर्ड इन द डैम. जो वाटर आपका डैम में स्टोर होता है उसको हम क्या करते हैं? एक ग्रेट हाइट से गिराते हैं, फॉल करते हैं, जिससे हम क्या बना सकते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बना सकते हैं. राइट, विच इज नोन एज हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. डैम्स हेल्प इन चेकिंग फ्लड एंड स्टोरिंग एक्सेस वाटर. एंड वाटर स्टोर्ड इन डैम्स उनको हम ब्रीडिंग फिशेस के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Since these dams serve many purpose and what we call them multi-purpose project. Right, let's study about them. First is Hirakund Dam, जो आपका रिवर महानदी पे है, नागार्जुन सागर कृष्णा पे, फरक्का बैरेज गंगा पे, बांका नाकरा डैम रिवर सतलज पे. ठीक है, फिर आपका पता है तीर्थ डैम, टेरी डैम भागीरथी रिवर पे, दामोदर दामोदर पे इडुकी डैम पेरियार रिवर पे. Right, let's study about tanks and ponds. The at places where digging of the canal is not possible due to rocky or even surface, water को हम कहाँ collect कर लेते हैं? Tanks में, ponds में. So this water is later used for irrigation. This type of irrigation is practiced in some southern states. जैसे आपका आंध्र प्रदेश हो गया, तमिलनाडु हो गया, कर्नाटक हो गया. The water of the tanks and ponds is also used for domestic purpose. और इसको हम ऐसे domestic purpose भी use करते हैं. Let's study about wells and tube wells. In some places in India, underground water is available. Wells are dug to reach the underground water, and the underground water is taken out with the help of Persian wheel pulled by bullocks. So this water is used for domestic as well as irrigation purpose. So at some places, the underground water is too deep and it is not possible to reach it by just digging. So in this case, people use what? Tube well. To draw out underground water, for installing a tube well, what you need? Drill machine. जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? एक deeper hole dig कर सकते. So tubes are inserted in these holes to reach this water. This water is then pumped out using a motor which runs on diesel or electricity. Tube wells are generally used in Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Bihar. Water conservation, water is very valuable natural resource. We should use it carefully, but not waste or misuse it. Besides, we should not pollute the sources of water. Many water sources, especially river and lakes, are being polluted by some human activities. जैसे आप देखते हैं throwing of garbage into water bodies, discharging industrial waste, washing clothes and animals in water. Polluted water is not fit for domestic. ना तो वो domestic ना ही वो irrigation purpose. किसी के लिए भी ठीक नहीं. Right, as you know that we have Namami Gange program which is being run by the government to clean river Ganga and make it pollution free. So here are some questions you can do yourself, right? Now you have understood each and everything. Now a chapter has been completed. You will meet in the next class. Thank you.